Body Revive has been an exciting journey for me, bringing into my business, because Body Revive is a flagship technology that hasn't been released to the masses, and it's really changed my perspective on the med spa arena, as well as what we can do in transforming one's shape and skin. As an esthetician, I've always been fascinated by skin and all the advancements that are made to combat wrinkling, aging, acne, whatever it may be. But the Body Revive technology is unprecedented. We get immediate results. We get it in one session. Sometimes, depending on a client's starting point and goal point, it can take a package, a series. But to see a client come in, maybe not so happy and comfortable in their own skin or with where they're at weight-wise, and then see them go through the evolution to exactly where they wanted to be, that is extremely rewarding. And it rewards us with lifelong clients, because we have more to offer than just Body Revive, and they get to experience all of that here at the Hills.